unearth the magic of the holiday season with an exquisite dessert, the Christmas Pomegranate Pistachio Tart. This Mediterranean delight, rich in festive flavors and diverse textures, holds a special place in holiday celebrations. Dive into the recipe of this holiday gem and bring its festive cheer to your home. Start your culinary journey by gathering the key elements for this festive tart. First, we have the star of our show, the vibrant pomegranate seeds, adding a refreshing burst of flavor. Next, our crunchy pistachios, lending a delightful texture. Tart shells form the perfect canvas, while sugar and butter bring out the sweetness and richness. Remember, each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating the splendid taste and texture of our Christmas pomegranate pistachio tart. Now that the stage is set with our ingredients, brace yourselves for the exciting process. Immerse yourself in the art of creating the pomegranate pistachio tart. Our journey begins with the tart shell, a delicate blend of flour, butter, sugar, and a dash of salt. It's crucial to keep the dough chilled and handle it gently, ensuring a flaky golden crust. Next, we move on to the heart of our tart, the filling. We combine the vibrant pomegranate seeds and crunchy pistachios with a sweet custard base. This mix not only brings a festive color palette, but also a symphony of flavors that's truly a Christmas treat. Lastly, it's time for the tart to meet the heat. A well-preheated oven is key to achieve a crisp crust and a perfectly set filling. Remember, patience is your best friend here. You'll want to keep a close eye on your tart, making sure it doesn't overbake. With the aroma of the baked tart filling your kitchen, you're just one step away from experiencing this Christmas delight. The Christmas Pomegranate Pistachio Tart, a dessert that encapsulates the spirit of the holiday season. The rich, nutty pistachios blend perfectly with the tart pomegranate, creating an unforgettable festive treat. Try crafting this joyful delight yourself. If you found this journey enjoyable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more culinary adventures. Happy cooking and Merry Christmas!